So I'm going to put them in here. I'm going to put a little olive oil on them, and I'm going to put some more vegetables in there with them. And then we're going to cook them in our Nuwave oven. So what I got to do is pull this out, and I'm going to use that big pan, and we're going to go ahead and do that. All right, I've got more vegetables that I'm going to put in there, and I'll show you what I got. So I get these. Usually I get them in a giant bag, but it is delicious. So I'm just going to put these right in there like that. And then I've got 2 of them because I'm kind of hungry. And you never know, somebody might stop by and want some veggie bowls. So I'm going to put these in here, just like that. Spread them around. And yeah, that's it right there. And then I'm probably going to put some olive oil on there to make it good. So here we go. We're going to get some olive oil on there, just like that. Bam, done. Now we just got to put it in there and cook it. All right, so I just got to get that open. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take this and I'm just going to put it in there, just like that. It follows me? Then we're going to shut it. I'm going to come here, I'm going to hit on. Now I'm in menu. I'm going to hit down here to menu to give me all these. It's on toast, but I've got it set for 5 minutes. And if I leave it on toast, I could cook this by just hitting it twice and it'll cook in about 9 minutes. So I'm just going to go ahead and leave it on there. I could go to broil like that for 500, but I don't know, that might be a little bit too much. I could go to bake, 350, roast, 375, grill, 425, pizza, you know, I could do all of these, you see, and they change here, you know, it tells you what it is. Cookies, air fry, but let's go back up and I'm going to leave it on toast at it's going to be 425 for 5 minutes. So let's just do that. Now we got to come back in 5 minutes and we'll take a look and see what we got. I got a light here, we can press that and you can see in there. You see that? But I don't really need that, so I'm going to turn that off. And this is the Nuwave, so we're going to come back and check it out a little bit. All right, so we just did it twice. Take a look in there. Wow, it looks good. The thing is I've got to check and see how if it's all the way through. So I'm going to do a taste test. You know what I mean? Still cold. We got to do one more. So I'm going to do it one more time, and that should be it. Then we should be ready to eat it. So again, on 425 for 5 minutes. Bam, Bob's your uncle. There's a lot of food in there, so you know it's definitely got to cook. So, but I'm not in a hurry, so we'll give it another 5 minutes. All right. So anyway, if you look here, you've got a countdown, and once it gets to like 0 there, it does a beep and it kind of tells you it's done. So check it out. And then it shows you the end, or end, it doesn't say the end. But let's take a look and see what we got. I think we're getting close, huh? Let me try a piece here, see if it's any good. I think that's good. I definitely think that we're getting there. Now, I'm gonna do some toast in here, and I'm gonna let that go a little bit longer, you know, with the toast, and then I think it'll be ready to go. Just gonna push that back a little bit so I have room to put my toast. And then I'm gonna put these in there, just on the outside here. I use this thing, you know, I cook with this thing more than I cook with our regular stove, to tell you the truth. Let me get these two. Okay, just gonna set them there like that. And then I'm just gonna do the same thing. Boom, boom, boom. But I might not let it go the whole way. I may only go, you know, 2 or 3 minutes. All right, so anyway, there's our oven that we cooked it in, and this is our final product. I put it in a bowl, and I got my bread here, and I'm just ready to eat now. So yeah, this thing works fantastic. Highly recommend getting one, you guys. Get them right here on Amazon. Peace out.